Welcome to the CryptoNest. So quick overview of a few stocks, a few crypto. So ADA, yeah, once again, honestly, not a bad. I didn't do the chart for this little guy here. Let me see. I really enjoy more this one too than many others out there. Okay, it didn't work at all. Ah, okay. That's that's nice. I choose the brush, or I didn't choose it anyway. So let me go and do that. So did we get? Yeah, once again, we not crazy. It would have been better if we did reach the 1.38. And once again, if I label them, now I need to say this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a week 3, this is a 4, and more likely we're working on a fifth one, or this is a just an a B, and we're still working on the C. And then it's too much into a diagonal, and this look more corrective. Yeah, so not the best for the moment, but if price can go and reach higher level, then maybe I can say maybe this was the an A overshooting with B and kind of a C or something like that. We shall see in the future. Fetch, honestly, it looks visually that it did much better, but is it? I'm not even sure, honestly, because I'm not sure I feel comfortable to call that a 1-2, or maybe this is just A, B, C for the 1, and this was the 2. I think I will go with that. And once again, this is 15 minutes. And yeah, and if I do that, once again, we did reach the bare minimum for a third wave, and not even, because ideally we go higher, right? So unreliable count on that one. Let me label it. Well, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is a 1, 2, and a 3, but I don't believe so. So what did I say? Oh, yeah, this 1, this is the 2, this is the 3. So maybe this, I don't know, maybe this is the 4, and we're still making the fifth one. Or maybe now we start to do the fifth one. If I do the fib of this scenario here, it's looking good. It did start to react exactly, bend on at 0.382, and that's great. Arbitrum, that's why I didn't do it, so I'm going to skip for the moment. Once again, all the charts, they look the same, huh? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, now here I do have a problem, maybe a little bit, because is that a 3, or the 3 ended here? And then how much micro counting can you do, right? Could we say that this was a 1, 2, an ABC for 1, 2, and this is A, B, and maybe, I don't know, we're still working. No, we cannot work on that one, but maybe this is A, B, and C. But it would be a little bit crazy. Too short to do the 1-to-1. Yeah, too short. So I cannot do that. So I guess I need to stick with 3, 4, and allegedly now we're doing this fifth wave. So if the 4 maybe was here, this could be, once again, this is crazy. 1, 2, 3, and this is A overshooting by B, 4, and now we're doing the fifth one of the fifth one. Let's see or something like that. But once again, this is 15 minutes, a little bit of a stretch. But at least now we do have some levels. It's getting higher. So very, very good. Which one I wanted to do? Link. Link also is reacting well. Once again, didn't want to do that. Actually, yeah, no, it's better here. Today I don't really have it. Okay, this, to call this a 1-2, it's a bit of a stretch, honestly. I'm going to go for, this is the third one, this was the fourth, and we're making the fifth now. I'm going to readjust this one. I'm not sure about this count here. Did the wave 2 went lower than the wave 1? No, it didn't, but just barely. So let's see. And this, to make it really work well, I honestly am not shy to put this as a B, C for the third wave, and this a fourth. But I mean, it could be also that this is the third and this is the fourth. Maybe we're doing an A, B, C for the fifth one. We shall see. But once again, this is a micro counting, so take it with a pinch of salt. Now this one, it's looking good. Actually, Solana is one of the, for the moment, best ones, and it's reaching now the MA 200 level and previous resistance approaching, right? On our wave down. Now the question is, can he manage to go possibly go and challenge this level here, which is also the MA 50? That would be a very nice 5-way up. And I did scoop in some. Let me take the brush. So I did take some under 35 because it was fibs. Also, I took some at under 35, under 25. So I guess somewhere here. Well, I mean here. And somewhere here. And I got some also 120, if I believe so. And yeah, and this was an order, I completely forgot about it, and after I got a notification that my order triggered, then I was, holy cow, I didn't even remember. So that must have been like 3-4 months that I put that order in. And I had another order at, I think, 105, but that one didn't got triggered yet, and possibly is not going to get triggered. So that's it. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, maybe still ongoing. Maybe this is an A, a B, and a C, what I was saying with other coins as well. If we do that, amazing. And let me take out these drawings now. If price now can give us, actually already gave us 5-wave, but can we go lower, make it more reliable? So under 48.89, that's my target. My first one, I would be very, very pleased. We're not that far, right? About $4 from first target. Even better if we go to 153.51. After that, what I'm looking, I know it's annoying, I keep saying the same things, but at the end, it's not that difficult. So we want an A, we want a B, and we want a C. If I see price reacting to these levels eventually, then I'm going to scoop back more. I did open some longs, and my strategy is going to be that when the fifth wave is completed, I'm going to draw a fib retracement. Let's say we go to the 2.38 under 49 to round it up. Okay, I'm going to take the levels for the wave 2, and I'm also going to add the 0.3. Honestly, the 0.7, I'm going to take it out. I don't think we will have that chance to reach that low price, well, you know, it can always be a surprise. But so now ideally what we want to see and what I'm going to do, it's if price reach this level, we're going to have a possibly reaching the 0.382, after a wave B and a wave C. Now ideally anywhere between those two, the 0.5 and 0.618, so between under 27.60, under $23, to me it's a nice relevant place. Once again, I keep saying the same things, but so we have a 5-wave up, so it's a bigger wave 1. Wave 2 like to revisit or end is correction about at the lower level 4th wave, so would be somewhere here. So that's why I'm saying between these lines here. Now if we manage to do a wave and react to the price, and we have, you know, a price reaction, and we see a correction, and that's going to indicate that we're going to make the B wave, then when we see the B wave finishing, and once again we can do a fib retracement of the A wave, so we have an indication where, you know, wave B could go and start to react to which level. Then when we have a reversal in price again, then we can do a ratio A to wave B to target the C wave, and then after that we do have 3 things to look. The fib retracement of all this movement, so all the fib retracement of this movement is going to be the fibs here, levels. We're going to have the 1-to-1 ratio wave A to wave C, which is going to be giving us another level, and we're going to have the 4th wave lower count. That's going to be another, you know, indication of where could price end. So this is what I'm looking for Solana and for all my others coins. So, and this is going to be the best time to get in, because we will have 5-way up, 3-way down, and many other indications that, you know, possibly the bottom has been reached. Now XRP also, yeah, XRP, I was saying also, but now, you know, I need to stop myself, because you can see that here I cannot call a wave 1 because wave 2 went lower. So it's a little bit more messy. And I don't know, can I call this a 1 too? I don't think so. Pull back very shallow. 0.38. I mean, it is possible, but it could be also that, let me see here. It could be just an A, a B, and a C for a wave 1. And this is, now we're starting to make a correction for a wave 2. That's also possible. Let's see how it works. Actually, let me label it here and see afterward if I was, let's see. And so unfortunately, yeah, XRP not the best chart for the moment anyway, in my opinion. And I'm still waiting for the final decision on SEC trial, but it's everlasting. Unfortunately, it just doesn't want to stop. Now, pretty much everybody now is reacting on the same price. So Arweave also, we have a 1-2, which I prefer this one because the wave 2 stopped lower. Very nice 3rd wave. I thought I did the fibs here. Let me do it quickly. After that, this is going to be my last video because it's taking a lot of my time. Okay, so also, did you do any shopping, or you're freaking out? What's your spirit? What was your spirit when price reached this level? You saw Bitcoin lower and entering the 40,000s, well, higher 40,000, but still psychologically 40,000. Unless I'm mistaken, let me go and double check after. So this, once again, let me put the waves. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Are we still doing wave 4? This was it, and now we're working on a fifth wave. Once again, this could be already the fifth wave. I don't know, in a messy A, B, ugly, and C for the fifth wave. I believe we can go much higher. Possibly, maybe this is a 1, 2, and now we're doing 3, 4, 5. Let's see how it goes with that. Now I want to, let me see. Yeah, I want to do the extension here and see that third wave. What level did it reach? Nice. Okay, so it did reach higher even than the 1.618. So that's very, very nice. Going to add the 2.618 here. So very, very nice for our weave. I think our weave, it's the pretty much the only one I think I didn't start, I believe, along. Already had before. I need to go and double check. I did scoop a little bit more for in a spot, but margin I'm not sure. All right, so now I'm looking now for like the others, right? A crunchier fifth wave. And let me see here. No, maybe I do that here. I would love to see if this is the 1, this is the 2, and now we're working on a 3, and then we do a 4 and a 5. Going to change the color because otherwise it's going to be misleading. And also the counts. So this is what I'm hoping for. Pretty much everybody's doing now to give us a very nice, decent fifth wave level. All right, so just be careful out there. Ooh, Kujira, 32%. Wow. Okay. I don't have any of those. Do have optimism. Let's see if there is someone crazy here. Let me go on. I want to go and check also Chronos. What is it doing? I saw 17%. Let's see here. Atom, 1, 2, yeah. So these are all coins that honestly I don't know if they're going to survive. Atom, I do believe in the blockchain, but just it's not reacting very, very well. You see, Chronos, it's a little bit, it's really disappointing because it didn't manage to do even a 1-2, right? While other, pretty much many are out there, altcoins, they managed to do at least a 1-2, a very weak 2, but did still manage to do a 2. How am I supposed to have a reading on this little fellow? The thing that saves us, I'm still saving him. It's yeah, this I consider. I didn't want to consider this week because it's going to lower my price. So okay, still manageable, but we do have an ABC for a wave 1, A, B, or 1, 2, 1, A, 1, 2. All this could be 3, 4, and 5. This should be it now, and we should start to go on a higher level. Otherwise, I mean, Kronos cannot afford to go lower. Otherwise, this thing is going to be doomed. CRV. Wow, that's a long time I didn't cover it. Okay, so CRV, it's not looking good, honestly. It's all-time downtrend, is it? Let me go on the daily and check. You see, it just made a lower low. So, not really good. I honestly want to say out there, even though me also, I'm kind of, hoping, because this is now a hope. It's a hope. Altcoin is going to do well. I'm going to become a millionaire. But this is the reason why we shouldn't allocate more than between 2 and 5% of our portfolio, because look at that. Like they just get destroyed. What's the best value? It's Bitcoin. So I honestly, I'm not even sure if in next cycle I'm going even to bother to invest in altcoins, honestly. How about I just invest in Bitcoin and Bitcoin leverage, because at least price they don't get destroyed. Now my money is melting away, right? And I do have some that I bought lower, but still, this is money that's melting away, and I could have just invested in Bitcoin on a leverage. I would be much more healthier. And now, yeah, I mean, if we go 10x from now, but we already lost so much, right? So yeah, this is something personal questioning I'm doing now. Was it even was it a good move to invest in altcoins? I'm not saying Solana or stuff like that, but some more lower. Well, for sure, if you got immutable X at 50 cents, now you're good, right? And you know, this is another thing. Immutable X, I did got some. I thought we did manage to. I was expecting something more, and now look, we went to the 0.618. This was a perfect time, honestly, to accumulate more. And many people, you know, they're going to say it's never going to go there. Well, hello, here it is. We are there. Now let me. I just looking for yeah, Kujira. We saw it. So this one prepare for a big dump now, because you know when price skyrocket like that, yeah, prepare for a dump. It's like you will not see 200% in 2 consecutive days, right? A dump is coming. Ah man, I didn't want to do that. All right, just want to scan quickly. Ordino, Orca. Honestly, I did invest in Orca, and I believe now we should have reached the lower levels now. You can see that I was very optimistic. I already put the 0.886. All right, so let's see now how it's going to work out with this one. This is once again it's a DEX. So let's see if we can do something. Render, yeah, mini they just delisted. So and this once again, did we manage to do? Okay, so we almost managed to do a new lower low from this one. Actually, we did a double bottom now, honestly. So it's not looking great. And honestly, if it goes below this level, I'm going to pull out from PYTH. And this is unfortunate, but this is life. Just take the loss and get the hell out. 23 minutes. Okay, this is done. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you have a coin that you want me to check, maybe if I have time, I can cover it. But honestly, I would stick with the strong one if you want to preserve your money. Last glance at Bitcoin chart on the 15 minutes. Okay, so we're still struggling here to now we're kind of holding this 0.618. Once again, what is this? This is this was the fib of this third wave, I believe. Let me just refresh. No, the latest downtrend or impulsive movement to the downside, to be sure that this it's not a pullback, but actually it's a, you know, it's a movement, a bullish one, right? So it's changing the trend. So I'm putting this in case this is just the 1 and this is the 2, and we're going to have a 3, a 4, and a 5, which implies that Bitcoin is going to reach lower levels. So this is very important. We need 5-way up. Convincing is 1, for the moment not very great. And if we go higher than 58,237, it starts to be more likely that this is a real fifth wave and cannot be a wave 2, because it starts to be, the pullback is too deep. And after that, we shall see, but we need to do baby steps. And then, yeah, so this is pretty much for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.